Hello little artists, I'm Marina Olson and today we're drawing a cute Christmas puppy. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, we're gonna need something to color with. I'm using markers, these are the colors. I'm gonna put it over here. Now I need a brown color pencil and a white marker. We are also gonna need a black marker for drawing, and let's start here in the middle of the paper. The first thing I'm gonna do is the eyes are gonna be two circles close to each other, and these circles are a little big. You can decide how big you want your eyes. I'm leaving my finger in the middle to do the other one. So you can put your finger in the middle to measure the space is gonna be in between them. Then we're gonna do a half a circle inside of these eyes. Just half a circle, it looks like this. And to finish, we're gonna do a small circle on the top, just like that. The next step is coloring black. We're gonna fill with black around this small circle. Okay, so the small circle is gonna be white. Okay, the next step is gonna be the nose. So we're gonna do the nose. It's a upside down triangle in the middle of the eyes. It looks like this. And we're gonna color also black, leaving a little bit of a space for a shine in the nose. Now for the mouth, I'm doing here a letter U, and it looks like this. And let's do another one to the other side. The next step is doing a letter U here in the middle for a tongue, and we're gonna do a little line. Okay, now let's continue with the eyebrows. It's two curved lines on the top of the eyes. And let's continue with the face. I'm doing two curved lines in each side of the eyes. One and one that goes down, curving like this. And let's go back in the left side. We're gonna start doing triangles for a little bit of fur here on his cheeks. And these triangles are pointing down. Okay, so we're gonna do one more and stop right there. Let's do the same in the other side. This first triangle is pointing out and then start pointing down. Let's go down with triangles and we stop. Now let's join these two together with a curved line. Okay, so it's gonna look like this. And now let's go on the top. We're gonna join these two lines also with a curved line pointing up. So we're gonna go around the eyebrows. There. Now here I'm gonna do the ears. I'm gonna go curve down and do a half a circle in the side. Now another one, let's curve down and half a circle inside. Okay, now let's go around the ears and the head with another curved line, just like this, and we're gonna fill this with black. This is gonna be the inside of the hat. Let's do it again here. Just go around the ear like this, and now let's color this black. Okay, now let's do one more curve, and this time we're gonna go from this point to this point. Okay, so let's go around really slow with an oval shape. Going here super slow, and as I'm going up, also this line is separating a little bit more from the head. Just look like that. Now I'm gonna do here another little point. I'm gonna go over here, and first I'm gonna mark here a line. So I'm gonna go like this. Then I'm leaving a finger space and do another line. And now I'm gonna join this line with the first little point I did in the other side. Okay, so we're gonna go really slow, going up a little, and then start going down to complete this hat. The last steps here, let's do a circle. Just like this. And now let's continue here on the neck. We're gonna do the scarf. So two curved lines in each side. Now let's join them here. We're gonna go with a little curved line just to join them. And now inside, we're gonna start putting lines for the scarf. So I'm gonna do the first one a little curvy, and then as they go in the middle, they start going a little bit more straight, and now we are going again curvy. Good. Now here underneath, we're gonna do a square shape. Just to complete the scarf, and inside, I can still put 2 more lines. There. Okay, now let's continue with the legs. And for that, what I'm gonna do is going down from a little bit in the scarf and going down. Now here I'm doing another one that is not touching the scarf. And let's do one more similar to that one and one more here. Now let's do here half a circle and let's close on the bottom. Another half a circle. We're gonna close on the bottom. Now we can join these lines here, put 2 lines inside the paws and close here on the bottom. Now let's do the legs on the side. We're gonna do a curved line that goes down. The same in the other side, curved line goes down. And we're gonna do 2 more paws. Here, half a circle, close it, 2 lines. Half a circle, close it, and 2 lines. There. The last step to finish this puppy is the tail. So I'm gonna do U shapes joined together. And it goes look like this. And that's it, we finished. This puppy looks so cute. Remember, you can stop the video right here to finish what we did. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.